Heat press machines, how much should you actually spend? You see $25 models and $300 beasts both claiming to do the same thing. But here's the thing, cheap ones burn your designs and expensive ones might be overkill. So which ones actually deliver without the headaches? Let's figure it out. Product number 1, Caligy Mini Heat Press. First up, the Caligy Mini Heat Press at just $24.78. This tiny pink and white machine looks like a Craft Iron's younger sibling. What caught my eye was its phone-sized design, perfect for small spaces or quick fixes. If you want something affordable and portable for occasional t-shirts, hats, or pillow projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It heats up fast, reaching 284 degrees F in about 3 minutes, and has 3 preset temps: low, medium, high for different materials like vinyl or sublimation paper. The LED screen shows real-time temperature and it auto shuts off after 15 minutes, so you won't accidentally burn your kitchen counter. With over 2,000 bought last month, it's clearly popular for light-duty crafting. Now some people complained about the small heating plate, only 2.87 x 4.43 inches, which makes it tough for adult-sized shirts. Here's the thing though, if you're doing kids' clothes, patches, or small accessories, it's actually ideal. But if you need full coverage prints, this won't cut it. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or someone with a tiny workspace. Skip this one if you're planning to press full-size tees regularly. For under $25, it's solid value, just know its limits. Product number 2, HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. Now if the Caligy size frustrated you, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press at $303.36 is a whole different league. This 15x15 beast automates everything. Load your shirt, press R, and it clamps down, adjusts pressure, and releases when done. If you want hands-free, consistent results for a side hustle or small business, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It heats to 320 degrees F in just 4 minutes, twice as fast as most, and uses dual heating tubes with NTC sensors for even heat distribution. That means no cold spots, no scorched designs. The auto-release feature prevents overpressing, and it handles materials up to 1 inch thick like wood signs or coasters. With 1,000 plus sold last month, it's trusted by serious crafters. Now some people complained about the weight, over 40 pounds, and the price tag scaring off casual users. Here's the thing though, if you're printing 10 plus shirts a week, the time saved and consistency gained make it worth it. But if you're just doing weekend projects, it's overkill. This is perfect for you if you're scaling up, selling custom apparel, or hate babysitting a manual press. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only craft occasionally. It's pricey, but for pros, it pays for itself fast. Product number 3, Cricut EasyPress 3 9x9. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for everyday crafters. The Cricut EasyPress 3 at $127.26. This 9x9 blue machine comes with a heat press mat and feels like the Goldilocks of heat presses. Not too big, not too small. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It connects to the Cricut Heat app via Bluetooth, so you get exact time and temp settings for any material, no guessing. It heats up to 400 degrees F and uses ceramic-coated plates for even heat. The beep alert tells you when to release, so your designs won't peel or crack. With 1,000 plus sold last month and Cricut's trusted name, it's a favorite among DIYers. Now some people complained about the 9x9 size being too small for large graphics or sweatshirts. Here's the thing though, for standard tees and small projects it's perfect. And the included mat helps protect your surface. But if you need bigger coverage, keep reading. This is perfect for you if you already use Cricut tools or want smart features without automation. Skip this one if you need to press large items regularly. For the price, it's a smart upgrade from basic irons. Product number 4, Cricut EasyPress 3 12x10. Now if the 9x9 EasyPress felt too small, Cricut's bigger sibling, the 12x10 model at $127.26 might be your sweet spot. Same price, bigger plate. If you want to press sweatshirts, banners, or blankets with the same app control, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The larger ceramic-coated plate gives you more real estate for bigger designs, and it still connects to the Cricut Heat app for precise settings. It reaches 400 degrees F and works with HTV infusible ink and sublimation. The build quality feels premium, and it's still lightweight at under 15 pounds. Again, 1,000 plus sold, proof it's a crowd pleaser. Here's the thing though, you trade automation for affordability and simplicity. It's manual, but the app guides you perfectly. Great if you don't need full automation. This is perfect for you if you want a larger plate without paying $300+. Skip this one if you need hands-free operation. It's the best balance of size, price, and smart features. Product number 5, Fancierstudio 15x15 Digital Press. Finally, the Fancierstudio 15x15 at $224.94. This clamshell-style machine looks industrial and it acts like one. If you want a large, durable press for sublimation, rhinestones, or bulk orders without auto features, this is worth a serious look. The steel frame and aluminum platen ensure durability, and pressure is adjustable for thick items like mouse pads or bags. At 1,400 watts, it heats fast and stays hot. With 600 plus sold, it's a solid mid-range workhorse. Now, some people complained about the steep learning curve and lack of app support. Here's the thing though, it's built for function, not flash. If you don't mind manual settings, it's reliable and powerful. This is perfect for you if you need a large, high-temp press for sublimation or heavy use. Skip this one if you want smart features or automation. For under $230, it's a beast for the price. So which one's best? The Caligy Mini for tiny projects, the HTVRONT if you're serious about selling, the Cricut 9x9 for app lovers, the 12x10 for bigger designs, and the Fancierstudio if you need raw power. No single winner, just the right tool for your craft. Drop your project type below and I'll help you pick.